Bonjour les enfants. Today we are going to learn about ER verb. So what are ER verbs? The verb which has special ending with ER, that called ER verb, that belongs to the first group. So let's see how to conjugate ER verb. For ER verb, first we remove ER, then we put special ending according to the subject. What are the special endings? Special endings are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So these are the special ending. And what is the stem? Pal. So in case of parley verb, what we'll do? We remove ER and we'll put special ending. So here we are removing ER and we are putting E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT according to the subject. Je parle, I speak or am speaking. Tu parles, you speak or you are speaking. Il parle, he speaks or he is speaking. Elle parle, she speaks or she is speaking. Nous parlons, we speak or we are speaking. Vous parlez, you speak or you are speaking. Vous and tu meaning is same, you, but vous we use in case of formal conversation and tu we use in case of informal conversation. So when you know the person, you use tu parles, and when you don't know the person, in a formal way of communication, we use vous parlez. And when the person is more than one, in that case, we use vous parlez. So here you can see like je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. So pronunciation for they speak or they are speaking, it's same like je parle, tu parles, il parle. Because in French, ENT is silent. That's why it's become il parle. Il parle, they speak or they are speaking in case of masculine plural. Elle parle, they speak or they are speaking in case of feminine plural. So these are the special ending. Let's take another verb. Habiter. Habiter means to live. H is silent. So here, if you are saying I live, it becomes j'habite. J'habite. Why? Because habit start with S. So in that case, we'll remove E and we put apostrophe. So together, it becomes j'habite. What we are doing here? It's a ER verb, so we remove ER and we put special ending. We know the special ending, so we put according to the subject. This becomes E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. So just put special ending according to the subject. It becomes easy, like j'habite means I live or I'm living. Tu habites means you live or you are living. Il habite, he lives or he is living. Elle habite, she lives or she is living. Nous habitons, vous habitez, il habite, elle habite. ENT is silent, that's why they are living or they live give the same sound as tu habites, il habite. This becomes il habite, elle habite in case of plural. Let's revise again. J'habite, tu habites, il habite, elle habite, nous habitons, vous habitez, il habite, elle habite. There are various ER verbs which has a special ending with ER. So how to pronounce that? Visiter. Visiter means to visit. Écouter. Écouter, to listen. Préférer. Préférer, to prefer. Demander. Demander, to ask. Regarder. Regarder, to look at or to watch. Étudier. Étudier, to study. Donner, to give. Donner. Travailler, to work. Jouer, to play. Aimer, to like or to love. Détester. Détester means to hate. Déjeuner, to have lunch. Chanter. Chanter means to sing. Inviter. Inviter means to invite. Marcher. Marcher means to walk. Fermer. Fermer means to close. Préparer. Préparer means to prepare. Tomber. Tomber means to fall. These are ER verb and they follow same rule. So how to conjugate ER verb? We know we follow the same pattern. We remove ER and we put special ending. So let's take the example of visiter. Visiter means to visit. So if you are saying je visite, tu visite, il visite, elle visite, nous visitons, vous visitez, Then il visit, elle visit. So in case of I visit or am visiting, we put je visit. Here you can see we are putting special ending as per the subject e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. Ent is silent, that's why we are pronouncing this il visit, elle visit. Now we'll talk about next verb, écouter. Écouter means to listen. This also follow the same pattern, er pattern. We remove er like écouter, just remove er and put special ending e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. So it's become j'écoute because écouter start with e. So we remove e and we put apostrophe. So it becomes j'écoute. J'écoute, tu écoutes, il écoute, elle écoute, nous écoutons, vous écoutez, il écoute, elle écoute. Écoute means to listen. So I am listening or I listen. You are listening or you listen. She is listening or she listen. We are listening or we listen. So it's like they are listening or they listen. Now move to the next er verb, demander. Demander means to ask. Je demande, tu demandes, il demande, elle demande, nous demandons, vous demandez, il demande, elle demande. So in that case, we are putting a special ending same way as we are doing for visiter or écouter. Now, what you need to do, you just see the verb demander and remove er and put the special ending according to the verb, according to the subject. What is marcher? Marcher means to talk, to walk. Marcher. Marcher means to walk. So how to conjugate this? We remove er and we put special ending e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. So it becomes je marche, tu marches, il marche, elle marche, nous marchons, vous marchez, il marche, elle marche. Ent is silent, so pronunciation is il marche, elle marche. They walk or they are walking. Let's do this exercise. First one is je, fill in the blank, écouter la radio. Écouter is a verb. It means to listen. What comes with je? Yes, what we'll do? We remove er and we put special ending. What comes with je? E comes. So here we put e. This becomes j'écoute. J'écoute la radio. J'écoute la radio. Second is nous aimer le jus de fruits. Aimer means to like or to love. Aimer, er is there. So we remove er and we put a special ending according to the subject. So with nous, what we'll put? We put ons. So it's become aimons. Nous aimons le jus de fruits. Here aimons come. Next one is vous à Bretagne. Visiter. Visiter means visit. So er verb is there. We remove er. What comes with vous? Ez comes. So we put here visiter. visitez. Nous visiter. Nous visiter la Bretagne. Fourth one is il aller à la plage. Here you can see it is er, but this is not a er verb because it is a irregular verb. This is an exception. It doesn't follow er pattern. So with il we put vont because the aller verb conjugate according to the subject in another way, like this one. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. So we conjugate this aller verb as an irregular verb but not a er verb. This verb is an exception. It doesn't follow er pattern. Je vais means I go or I am going. Tu vas means you go or you are going. Il va means he goes or he is going. Elle va means she goes or she is going. On va means we go or we are going. And nous allons means we go or we are going. Vous allez means you go or you are going. Vous allez is a plural form, or in case of formal we use vous. Vous allez. Ils vont, elles vont. Ils vont means they go or they are going in case of masculine plural. Elles vont, they go or they are going in case of feminine plural. S is silent, so we pronounce this il. Ils vont, elles vont. So, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. So what comes with this? Allez vont, because with plural we put vont, ils vont. Ils vont à la plage. Ils vont à la plage means they are going to the beach. Now do this exercise. Tu. Tu ferme la porte. Porte means door. So tu, what comes with ferme? E, we remove er and we put e. With tu, e comes. So it becomes tu ferme la porte. So it becomes tu and the spelling is F-E-R-M-E-S. With tu, we put es. Okay. So it becomes tu ferme la porte. Next one is Manuel invite Anish. Manuel is il, singular, masculine. So in that case, we'll put e. So we remove er and we put e. So it's become invite. So it's become, spelling is I-N-V-I-T-E. Seventh is Pierre et Mireille regarde la télévision. Regard is er verb, and with er verb we remove er and we put special ending. Pierre et Mireille is a plural, so they follow plural rule. Il. So here we put special ending, we remove er and we put ent because they are plural, more than one person. So when there is more than one person, we remove er and we put ent because with plural ent comes. So it becomes Pierre et Mireille regarde la télévision. La télévision is television. Here ent is silent, so sound comes regard. Now with habiter, as we know, habiter means to live. So what we'll do here, we remove er and we put e. So it becomes j'habite. J'habite à Delhi. I live in Delhi. Neha parle français. Parle is er verb. We remove e. Parle means to speak. So we remove er and we put e. So Neha parle français. Now we'll talk about je. Je être dans la classe. So this is être verb, not er verb. What is être verb? Être means, yes, être means to be. So it becomes je suis dans la classe. Être is not er verb. It doesn't follow er pattern. Here we are using je suis dans la classe. Suis means am, être verb. So je suis dans la classe means I am in the class. Okay. Now if we were talking about alle verbs, so how to conjugate alle verbs? Let's take an example. Suppose I'm saying I'm going to the restaurant. So how to conjugate this? Je vais au restaurant. Je vais. How to say you are going to a restaurant? So tu vas au restaurant. With tu vas come, tu vas au restaurant. How to say she is going to a restaurant? So elle va au restaurant. Elle va au restaurant. How to say he is going to the restaurant? Il va. With il va come, il va au restaurant. How to say we are going to a restaurant? It becomes nous allons. Nous allons au restaurant. With nous, allons come together, we pronounce this nous allons. Nous allons. How to say you are going to a restaurant? So it becomes vous allez au restaurant. Vous allez au restaurant. How to say they are going to a restaurant? So it becomes ils vont au restaurant in case of plural, masculine. In case of feminine, plural, it becomes elles vont au restaurant. They are going to the restaurant. So it becomes je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont.